Hi there, how are you? It's Emma here. This week we're going to be making some zines. Now, you may not have heard of the word zine before, but it's short for magazine. And in the time before we had things like the internet and social media and things like that, people used to make their own little leaflets and little books, and they used to make them about things that were important to them. It might have like hopes for the future or hopes for the planet, or they might be really fed up about something and want to let people know. So I thought we'd have a go at making a zine all about ourselves, and we can put some really important things in there, and you can tell the world all about you. So we're going to do this process with some paper. So I'm going to point downwards. You can see what I'm doing. Right, so the easiest zine that we can make is one piece of A4 paper, and I folded it into 8 by going in half like this, opening it up, folding it in half that way, making a nice crease, opening it up, and then folding that side in there, opening it up, and folding this side in here. Give it a good crease and opening it up. There, it's divided into 8. And then, can you see, I've drawn a line on here. We're going to cut along this line. And the easy way to do that is to fold it in half. So we're cutting through 2 pieces of paper at once. There we are, 2 pieces. And we're going to just go snip, 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 and then stop there. So let's do that. This is the easiest and smallest type of zine we can make. There, okay. Now we open it up. It's got like a little letterbox in it. It looks like a mouth. There we are. We're going to fold it in half lengthways. And then we're going to kind of push it together. And as we push it together, can you see it's making a cross shape in the middle? And then what we have to do, this is a bit wiggly, but we have to fold along these edges. There we are. And this is going to make the pages of our book. How are we going? Let's have a look. Fold it out. There we go. So now it's kind of squashing down on itself. Brilliant. And I'm going to fold that one over there, and I'm going to fold that one over there. And then we've got a teeny tiny little book, a little zine. And you can decorate that. Shall I show you the pages we open up there? Some of them are double thickness. So you just draw on the pages that you can see. There we are. That's our little zine. The easiest one you can make. If you've got a bigger piece of paper, we can do a bigger one. So this is an A3 piece of paper. That was made out of an A4 piece of paper. So I've got a big piece of paper again. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to fold longwise and press it down. Open it up. I'm going to fold it across the middle. Press it. Open it up. I'm going to fold it down this way. Open it up. I'm going to fold it down this way. There we are, to the middle line. Open it up. Right, so this one had 8 squares on it. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right, so now we're going to cut 3 lines, not just 1 line. So we're going to cut along here. I'm going to stop. We're not going to cut to the end. We're going to then come back this direction and cut here. Stop. Don't want to go to the end. And then the last one up here, we're going to cut back this way. I'm going to stop here. So it's always like 1 page at the end that isn't cut. Right, snip, snip. Should we see how that goes? I'm going to do 1 and stop. I'm going to do the 3rd one over here, all the way down. And of course, the neater you can do this, the neater your zine will be, won't it? Okay. And there we go. Stop. Right, now we need to just start at one end, doesn't matter. And we're going to go concertina, so folding like a paper fan. So go this way, then back on itself, then this way. And look, when I get to a corner, I'm going to go underneath, okay? And then forwards, backwards, forwards. I've got to another corner, I'm going to go underneath, okay? And then forwards, backwards, forwards. It may take you a couple of goes to get this sorted. There we are. I'm going to go underneath again. But you'll get there in the end. There we are, our last bit of our zine. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. There we are. Hey, and now we've got a little zine with more pages. So you can leave your zine like that. Or, what else can you do? You could make some holes in the top, tie it together with some ribbon. So you've got a little booklet. Or you can make a little cover for it. Yeah, this is a piece of card. I've cut it out so it's at least the same size as my zine. Then I've left a little bit in the middle, like the spine of a book, giving it a bit of extra room. I've got some double-sided sticky tape here. Should we stick that on? See what it looks like. So I'm going to put that on there. Try and get it in the middle. Going to fold it over. There we are, my little zine. It's actually now got a cover. It's more like a book, isn't it? But you don't have to have a cover on it. Look at the pages we've got there to decorate. And you can decide what your book's going to be about. Guess what mine's going to be about? This is a great way of letting the world know what you think is really important. My little book is going to be all about me. There we go. So you can put in there all the things that are important to you. Maybe your favourite football club, maybe your favourite animals, maybe pictures of your family, maybe drawings of your school friends. But you can fill it up. Oh, maybe you want to tell the world about how you think nature's important. You have a go. See what you can make. Fill up a little zine all about you. Okay, have fun.